Welcome back. It has been so hot lately, Auntie.
Oh, it was terrible yesterday.
So if you're looking to cool off with an epic Hawaii water adventure, well, we've got just the place for you.
Well, Wai Kai is more than just a destination. It's a gathering place for locals, future surf stars, not me, seasoned wave riders, and adventurous visitors alike.
And it's really easy to see why you voted Wai Kai the best of Hawaii.
Right.
I am so excited to get our splash on here at Wai Kai in ʻEwa Beach. We got Adam Muller. He is the director of promotions, events, marketing, basically the director of fun over here at Wai Kai, and Camera Hog. Thank you so much for being with us, bro. I appreciate it.
Absolutely, man. Welcome back. Stoked to have you guys.
Thank you so much for having us back. Now, first of all, congratulations on being named one of the best of Hawaii. In fact, you guys are the entertainment complexes. You guys took one of the prizes, so congratulations. How's that make you feel?
Thank you. No, yeah, especially splashing into summer right now. It's a great time to receive such, honorable reward. We're stoked on it, and it's very special to us because it's something that Wai Kai is destined to be, right? It's supposed to be an epic place for the community, Kama'aina locals, but also visitors alike, just to come out, enjoy themselves, make some memories, and have a good time and have some fun.
Well, it looks like some kids are having some real good fun right now, and I know that you guys got some promotions that are happening that will kind of bring our Kama'aina to Wai Kai. Talk about that for a little bit.
Absolutely. So like I just said, we're splashing in the summer. Got some killer promos running right now in the month of June, including our Splash Pass and our new e-boats, which we'll talk about soon. But the cool part is that we're open 7 days a week here at Wai Kai. And we're also offering morning, afternoon, or full day passes. And we literally have something for the entire ohana, ages 0 all the way up. So yeah, we invite everybody out to come out, make a splash, have fun, and yeah, enjoy summer. No better way to beat the heat than right here at Wai Kai.
Yeah, in the water. This is so very akamai. And I know the last time Lino Girl and I were here, you guys had some stuff for the keiki, but you have now an expanded keiki activity zone. What's that about?
We do. So we've kind of listened to the community. Our young ones, ages 4 to 6, they didn't feel like the obstacles were challenging enough, or they got bored kind of quick. So we went ahead and expanded the entire keiki course, added some new features, added some more challenging obstacles, and we've also extended our keiki programs for the summer. Our signature program is called Napio Kai for the older kids, about ages 8 to 13, which allows you to experience the aqua venture, the watercrafts, and even the wave pool. Lunch is included, parents, so don't forget that. It's a good deal.
Like that.
Probably the best, program for the keiki on island. But we're also introducing new keiki programs for the younger ones. We have Keiki Kai, which is for ages 0 to 3, and we also have Keiki Aina, which is land-based for ages 4 to 6. So something for everybody again, and we're really focusing on the keiki this summer. Get them out of the house, make a splash, have fun.
I think the parents will really appreciate that because they're looking for stuff to have their kids do, but there's also stuff for the parents to do. I understand you guys are having a fitness offering for some of the visitors?
Yeah, so we're extending more of our programs here at Wai Kai. One of the things we're very passionate about is functional fitness and wellness. So we're partnering with Key Fitness Mobile Truck, who will be out here multiple days a week. We're looking at Mondays, Wednesdays, and Sundays, offering functional fitness programs right here at Wai Kai.
Wow. Again, as Adam said, something for every part of the family, every member of the family. And you were talking about the e-boats. I want to check that out. But before we go over there, what is that? So you can ride the whole park?
Yeah. So if you've never been to Wai Kai before, this is our Wai Kai Lagoon. It is 52 acres, so there's no outlets to the ocean. We have a very clean body of water here that's naturally filtered. And yeah, we just introduced our electric e-boats. They go about 5 miles per hour. They're like a little catamaran pontoon situation. We could go right now, stay dry, cruise the whole lagoon.
Are you serious?
No problem. Automatic, guaranteed. It's that relaxing, super easy to drive, just with a push of a button, and you're off.
Okay, can we try that?
Absolutely.
I'd like to do that.
Absolutely.
Wow, bro, that was so much fun. Thanks for letting me hang out over here.
Automatic, man.
Appreciate it. All right, Adam, if people want to connect with you guys and perhaps book their next party for the kids, how can they do that?
For sure. For all things Wai Kai, be sure to visit waikai.com. You can scroll through the pages or click book now for your next adventure. And be sure to stay social with us at Wai Kai Lineup and at Wai Kai Experience on social media. You'll find everything you need to know there. And just stay stoked, and we'll see you here at Wai Kai.
Yeah, come check them out. Best of Hawaii. Right on, bro. Thanks again.
Of course.
All right.